So we've said that no place on the plane is special, no time is special. So this phase factor must be constant. So, but it also must therefore be true at some time we can just call t equals 0. That'll take the time part out of it. And then we can say that ki dot r equals kr dot r equals k transmitted, kt dot r. Now what can we draw from this? Well, kind of think about the interface like this and imagine, well, you have an incident wave vector ki coming in. All right? And then think, well, let's define an r. We can really put the origin wherever we want. So let's have the r in the plane and right underneath ki. Right? So let's put r kind of down here, right along the surface. Okay. One way we can rearrange these is you could subtract one from the other and get them equal to 0. So you could basically say ki minus kr dot r equals 0. And you could say ki minus kt and kr minus kt, etc., etc. The difference between the vectors dotted with r has to be equal to 0. Well, if we've sort of already aligned r underneath ki, what is it that you dot with r to give you 0? Well, one thing is the normal. The normal to the surface dotted with r would always give you 0. And then if you think, well, ki minus kr, what is that? Well, if ki is going this way and kr we know is going to do something like that, what's their difference? Their difference is add them head to tail. Let's see, so this plus this, but going the other way would be like that. It's going to go down, right? But we're saying whichever way that vector goes, dotted with r, has to be 0. It has to be kind of like the normal vector, the same sort of direction, right? So if that's the difference, it has to be up and down. So if you think about that, and then you think about ki minus kt and kr minus kt, basically what you find is that ki, kr, and kt are coplanar. I'm not going to give a formal proof at the board. It's kind of difficult to visualize in 3 dimensions. But that is what this tells us. The fact that no time and no space, no place is special tells us that when the light kr comes in, it reflects this way and it goes down, and all those stay in a plane.